Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your documents and the exact phone to link. This saves time. At an SBI ATM, insert your debit card and authenticate. At a branch, get the account verification slip. Once authenticated, choose the option for mobile number registration or update. Make sure the Aadhaar or PAN details on file match. Otherwise, linking will fail. This step ensures the bank can validate your identity and prevent mismatches during the OTP stage. Once you choose ATM or branch, follow the verification flow precisely. At an ATM, enter the new mobile number and confirm. The machine will trigger an OTP to that number. At the branch, the staff will submit your form and initiate an OTP to the new mobile. You must provide that OTP or sign an authorization. Make sure the OTP arrives. If it doesn't, recheck the number and network, then request resend. This step ties the SIM to your account for transaction alerts and security. You finish by confirming the success message on the ATM or taking the stamped receipt from the branch. Keep that as proof. Once done, test by requesting a mini statement or balance SMS to ensure alerts arrive. If the OTP never comes, wait a few minutes, then re-enter the number or use another method. Make sure your SIM is active and allows SMS. If problems persist, instruct the branch to lodge a technical service request with SBI IT so they can trace OTP delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.